Question 45. A line of length 5 is in the plane that diagonally bisects the right cylinder shown above, or to the left here. If the bottom face of the cylinder has an area of 4 pi, what is the volume of the cylinder? So first off, let's write out our equations. The volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. And so we know the area of the bottom face is pi r squared, and that's already given to us as 4 pi. So this quantity should be 4 pi. So the only thing we need to figure out the volume is the height, right? We need the height of the cylinder here. But how are we going to find that? Well, we know that this forms a right triangle, right, using this line that we have. So we can get this right triangle where the hypotenuse is 5, this side, h, is the height we're looking for, and the bottom portion here is the diameter. The diameter of the bottom surface, or the bottom face. So, how do we find the diameter? Well, to find the diameter, we need the radius, and we can solve for the radius using this equation here, right? So we know that pi r squared is equal to the area of this face, and we know from what's given to us in the question that that area is 4 pi. So let's go ahead and solve for r. Pi's cancel out. R should equal 2. So if the radius equals 2, the diameter is going to be twice that, so it equals 4. So this triangle, right, so right triangle, 5, 4, h, well, we'll just use the Pythagorean theorem, so we can say c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared is the hypotenuse, so 25 is equal to 16 plus b squared, where b squared is it's actually h squared, right? Let's call it 16 plus h squared. Solve for that. H is equal to 3, and plug this into our equation up here. So we have v is equal to pi r squared, we've already said is 4 pi. Multiply that by 3, and we get 12 pi as our answer, and that is answer B.